Smith of Denny is a 106-year-old family-run firm providing haulage-related services. We support customers all over the UK and Scotland, providing general distribution, storage, transport and maintenance as required. All our staff and vehicles are based here in Denny, which is central to large conurbations in the area, allowing us easy access to the entire UK. Some of our specialised services include running two-man teams to install range cookers in people's houses. We also have rear-mounted forklifts and tail lifts, allowing us to handle specific large, heavy and high-value items for customers. I'm Jordan Smith and I run our in-house commercial vehicle workshop. This workshop is a custom-built facility that we got built in 2010. We moved to this larger yard with an existing warehouse to better suit our needs. Our own fleet consists of over 100 assets that all require regular maintenance, and that's all done in-house here. Our customers rely more than that again. We look after everyone from one person with one asset right up to national fleets, all requiring regular maintenance. Companies that appreciate being able to access us whenever they need. Many of them are based here in Denny or the local area. They come to us because as a haulage company they know that downtime is a big issue and they require a company that can support them with good maintenance to keep their fleet out on the road. Many of our customers are also customers of our haulage side, so they come to us for haulage and transport services, and then they also appreciate being able to come to the same place to get their fleet looked after to keep that working as well. Although many of our customers come to us for a complete maintenance package, many of our customers come to us for specific needs, such as roller brake testing. With the recent rule changes, this is becoming increasingly popular. We offer a drop-in service where people can turn up when it suits them with a load, they can get the brake test done by somebody competent and they can get on with their day. A key reason we use Motus is the reliable DAF and TRP part service, not only for our own fleet, but our customers' fleets as well. Having the support of Motus Commercials is important to us. It's refreshing to be valued as a customer and be offered a reliable, unique service that suits what we need from them. This is the web shop system, and what it does is it allows us to easily identify parts, especially difficult to find parts, get the part number, we can also see price and availability, and then we can either order online or choose to phone up with the information at hand. An additional benefit of using Motus is the impress stock which they've put in for us, allowing us to have the parts we need ready at hand. This is tailored to suit our needs exactly. We also benefit from the Max Premier service, where we purchase parts, get points and are able to use them to benefit the business in future.